Ayan guys, napadaan kami dito sa MacArthur Park, Liti. So ayan guys, unexpected ko guys, 16 years kong hinahanap ito guys. So for the first time nakita ko na rin siya guys, ang MacArthur. So ito guys, nakalagay dito is the Little Landing, ayan landing spot in Palu, Liti. General Douglas MacArthur returned to the Philippines on 20 October 1944 and the personally led by the swipe drives against the Japanese force in the Philippines. President Senior Osmeña is some of the member of the government in Lex arrived to the General MacArthur and proceed to the recognized Church Administration government in Commonwealth for the Philippines declare a national historical landmark of 2004. Ayan, ang paglunsad ng Liti. Ayan, nakikita nyo. So, ayan guys, not expected ko guys na makikita ko sila guys. So, dati dito guys, is kuno sinasabi na pwede. Ngayon, hindi kasi nga may tubig nakalagay. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo. Ayan po. Ayan po guys. So, may naga-tiktok guys. So, ito guys, ay ang likuran niya ay dagat guys. Ayan po. So ayun, kung makikita nyo guys, bato ng isda. So ayan, so ayan guys, so yun. So ito pala yun guys. Okay, meron siyang pasyalan na ganun kalaki. So ito guys, ayan po, so dagat yung ayan, so dagat siya guys, ayan po. So ito yun guys. So ayan guys, so ayan po yung mukha niya, ayan po, ayan po yung mukha niya. So ayan, so makikita mo guys, ayan po ang pagkipagdigma ng Pilipino sa mga mananakop ng bansa. Ayan po. So ayan guys, so thank you for watching guys, see you for the next video. Ayan po guys, so makikita nyo, ayan po. So ayan guys, makikita nyo. So ayan.
Ay, kita